girl Jay. Welcome back to the channel. How y'all doing today? I bet y'all didn't think y'all was gonna see me on here, did y'all? Well, here I am. Happy Monday to everybody. I wanted to come on here because I am so excited to share with you what I am doing. Y'all, we moving. Yep, we moving. We moving from downstairs to upstairs. Okay. All that space up there, I'm going to create my sewing. So I hope that this video will motivate you, inspire you, and bring out your creative juices so that you can get your sewing, your upcycling, whatever it is you do, your crafting, your embroidery, your silk screening, whatever it may be, going. Okay? So come along with me to the next video. The next clip of this video, and I will share with you my inspiration. Do I share with you this inspiration? I don't know if I share with y'all the inspiration, but I just need more space. Okay, I need more space, and I want to bring my bedroom downstairs. So let's just get on over here so y'all can see what's going on so far. Just so you know, I will not be sharing my bedroom, but I will be sharing the sewing room. Once everything gets up there, I'm going to give you a blank slate first, and then once everything is up there, we're going to start decorating or decoring it or putting things in place together. Okay, I will share that with you. I will share the rebuild. I will share me putting things up on the wall. I will do all that. I'm not saying it all might happen in one video, but as I go forward, I'm going to share that progress with you so you will see the update of the new space. Okay, I'm going to move her up there too because she is my inspiration, but I have her in the background in my office videos and I don't think that's appropriate. So I'm going to take her down. And I'm going to take her upstairs with me and bring her to my creative side of life and move her upstairs with me. So let's get over here to this room over here and let's see what's in the next clip. All right, y'all? Okay, let's go. Hey, family, it's your girl Jay. Welcome back to the channel. I am coming to you today with a different type of video. It's still about sewing. I'm changing my sewing room. Thumbnail. Yes, I am changing. I'm taking stuff down. I'm moving it all upstairs, and I will show you that space once I get it emptied out. My bedroom is up there, so I'm going to bring my bedroom down into this room. As you can see, I'm taking stuff down. I'm moving stuff around. I am deciding on where I want things to go. I've been upstairs, taking my bed down. And I have this on because I don't want to get lint or dirt or dust all in my locks. So yeah, I am taking down the wall of threads. And yeah, that's what we're doing. So when I get most of it done, I will reveal to you the space upstairs once I get it cleared out. And then I'll come back down here and reveal the space down here once I get it cleared out. And then, yeah, we'll see what's gonna happen. I'm kind of excited about it. I'm ready to. You probably say, "Well, why are you doing that, Jay?" I'm tired of the stairs. Number one, and I just need more space. I need more space, and when you see upstairs, you can see that there's more space. Okay, because I want to be able to, I probably could, if I move my sewing table to the middle of the room, I could walk all the way around my sewing table, but right now I have it up against the wall, and I don't want it up against the wall. I want to just be, I think it'll be a little bit easier for me to be downstairs and utilize the space upstairs a little bit more, because I have a bedroom and another bedroom upstairs, and that's going to coincide with my sewing room and my closet. Okay, so the other bedroom is being turned into my closet. I'm going to try to get it custom made. I don't know when I'm going to do that. That's going to be down the road. That's not going to be anytime soon. But I am going to get it in order with all the clothes that I have now, which is going to allow me to upcycle more, because I have a lot of clothes that I need to upcycle, and that I don't wear anymore, and it's just going to give me more fabrics and materials to work with. And just this space up here, well, this space right here, I think it would be, I'm doing it for the summertime as well as the stairs. I just want to see what it's like to sleep down here, because this is my first year in my home. I've been here since September of 2023, and it is now June of 2024. So I'm just changing things. And when I first saw the house, this was a bedroom when I first viewed the house. So now I'm going to take all the stuff out that you see, everything that's on the walls. I'm taking it down, and I'm going to revamp upstairs. So what I'll do is I will take you guys through the process of me putting everything up. Let me know in the comments if y'all want to see that, if y'all want to see me transform. I probably won't share my bedroom pretty much, but I will share the upstairs where the sewing room will be. I probably won't share the closet yet because it's going to be a hot mess, but I will share the sewing space that I plan to create upstairs. So let me know in the comments if that's what if y'all willing to, well, watch a video like that or not, me, putting everything in place and putting things back up and building back my sewing table. As you can see here, I built my own sewing table, so I have to clear out all this stuff, take these cubicles upstairs and rebuild them. So let me know if y'all want to see that. The nightstands that I use for my sewing thing, that might change. I'm not sure, because right now I'm using 2 nightstands over there to hold or house all my sewing machines. And as you can see, I've been breaking things down already. And yeah, that's what I've been doing, y'all. Hey. So yeah, this shelf has to come down. So I'm gonna take the shelf has to come down. So I'm gonna take that down, hang things up, do decor and everything. So let me know. This whole entire wall has to come down. The cubicle has to be moved upstairs. This whole thing got to be broke down into just taking the top off, and then moving the cubicles upstairs. It's not that hard to do, but the tabletop I had cut, at Home Depot and everything. So, but anyway, I am rambling, and I'm gonna get to work. And y'all let me know in the comments if y'all want to see me rebuild my sewing room upstairs. Okay? All right.